The role of law in building just in visits. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, respect teacher and honorable guests and beloved friends. First of all, let's praise and thanks to Allah for giving and health and affinity so we can together here today. On this before a concern award like to deliver in speaks and until the role of law and building just and Californian. Ladies ladies and gentlemen, when we hear and word law, many of wealthy things about courts, just a police office of a friend with this man, but law is much more that law is in the valid structure that hold social together and is the stem that people close and went order. Even given court law reward law that would be no rules to below fraternity, not just for victim and only for that word miss power the strong word dominated in that the rich word control and for sociality word compens into that instantly. That is why law is amazing for living. According to legal court, law has that fundamental first just legal continuity and anti just fitness legal continuity refer tells and belieffinity. These are the law giving benefit and welfare society in world before continuity Indonesia in derives as states beds of law of rested as states in the 1745 continuity that makes that all community action must the base of law. Power must and the state before law no on before continuation. Quickly before the law in the fundamental briefly that sometimes in as public official, businessman and or audience must be fraternity clause in the eyes of the law. His preference in the fundamental and democracy and human rights. However, ladies and gentlemen, law with mortality because and laws. These rules and given just law confronted with just into tools of invention. History show us that even legal system can be mills since there are no guessing by zealous below before be quality be value that law must also be content with morality, integrity, and humanity. As students, special tense on student law we must that the becoming a legal example is not only about mastering art and less and regulation in about building tenster. A good lawyer, jongleur of or person must have anxiety with fantasy word than is law because a weapon is a tool of justice. In addition, law also plays in cause roles in protecting human rights. Human just be respect. Every person has the right to life, freedom, and just live. Allow access to content rights from about of power. Ladies and gentlemen, in the modern era, we face my illegal counter's conformity, cyberism, that virus mental deaths, and the social adjective. When problem test be grounds of legal system, then we of the only stage of vanity, but also from an innovative. For example, count the damage public we word public in laws continuity legality for being about then justice continuity x right community in on only about funding criminals but also about recognizing system. Act and instrumental law about example of the law we are natural as group we be examply from future generation we fear because of our negative today law amount sociality of responsibility as young generation of Indonesia, we have a responsibility. We must because that's how who are legal awareness begins with simple action, obeying traffic rules, respecting or right abolishing legal arts and speaks up and injunction. Law is not only a responsibility of just lawyers. Law is the responsibility of every stage. If we went about naturalization, we must start from an example begins for small things, honesty, example, display and a daily life respect in community that small value approach law a bit sociality in in tuberculosis law is the before a just law is the foundation of other law and is the goodness human dignity word law that's also with just stand of word normality law because so. Okay, thank you very much for attention. My we my because and generations that's hence justice and wills a better future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.